Some condensers in Berlin, Maryland. This is a 2003. Can't see the ton. It's a heat pump. Air temp or something. No brand on it. It's a Nordine. That is a 2-ton from 2013. Got a pane right here. 2009 3-ton 13 SEER. It's also a heat pump. Another old Carrier YCC 2003 2-ton. It's got a Bristol in it. (2016) 5-ton Silver Series. (2014) 2-ton. Big Comfort Series right here. 2010 3-ton. Shut off. XL59. That's also a 3-ton. And this pane kicked on. Is a 2022, I think. It's a 5-ton. A few more Carriers. There's a window over there, so quick look at them. Okay, we have a few airflows. Copeland reciprocating. Something down there just kicked on. Armstrong Air. It's a 17 SEER, I think 2016 or something like that. If you can read anything on that data tag. This one kicked on. American Standard right here. Some other units. Train XR. Some of these are really rotted out. Pane in a Carrier. These are in Ocean City, literally a block away from the ocean right now. Fire somewhere. There's a 3T22 in this town at the fire department. Here's that 2008 XB13 I film every year. And it actually appears to be low on refrigerant. It's a 5-ton. Air coming out the top is basically ambient. And the suction line is not really that cold. In fact, I feel it's slightly cool. And I got nothing on liquid So it's not a heat pump, but it's kind of cool today. There's not really much of a heat load, but I would expect some kind of heat rejection out of here. So 72 inside. Anyway, that's that unit. These are some units at Hopen Junction, off along Coastal Highway. So we got an air temp right here, 2-ton from 2013. It's a heat pump, not micro channel. Early 80s, I want to say. York Champion tabletop thing, which is freezing up. Probably won't be here much longer, but it is running right now. Condenser coil is clogged. Probably low on charge, and the compressor oil is cooked. I filmed that unit last year and got the logo from it. York Olympian. That's a 2-ton. Holding sweaty suction line there. Something hit it. It's been moved off its pad for some reason. Goodman heat pump. What's 2-ton looks like? Series heat pump, 2007, 2-ton, with the Climate Tough compressor. And then we have a Bryant Legacy line from 2017. That's a 2-ton as well. Another American Standard. (2008) 2-ton. Base model pane, builder grade carrier thing, 2020, 2-ton. It does have a purple scroll. Mitsubishi. That's a heat pump, nice and quiet. It's in cool mode. It's fairly warm today, but yeah, just wanted to get a shot of those units. Brand new Lennox Elite unit. Replaced a 2005 Rude. I believe it's a heat pump. Let's see. 2024 model. Nice and quiet. I think it's an 18 SEER Elite Series. So, yeah, nice unit. Much more efficient than the old Rude. Brand new Train XR at the Crust Condos. Got the 2015 unit still here. 2-ton. Here's the new one. February of 2024. It's also a 2-ton. And I'm not sure what the energy efficiency difference is, but this one has a much smaller coil. Has a LG scroll. For some reason, this spine fin spacing is different on this one than the older unit. Looks a little bit cheaper, maybe. This one, the fins are more densely packed, if you will. Train XB13 from 2006. It's a 1.5-ton. If that rotor lock isn't leaking yet, I'd be very surprised. York is still here. I think if memory serves me correct, this is a 2005 unit. Obviously it's a 2.5-ton. I haven't seen this unit run in quite some time. It's got a Bristol compressor in it. Stellar series. And a newer Mitsubishi right here. That's a heat pump. That's what this should be. Doesn't get that cold down here. And this is right on the water. The Comfort and the Train XR. These both replaced older carrier units. Starting to see the salt there on this one. Excuse me, I have a cold right now, I think. 2015, 2.5 ton. And 2017, 2.5 ton. Both. Here are these two. Carrier 3.8 CKC. 2001 2-ton. Race cold. I just heard it kick on actually. And the newer Train XR from 2021, and that is a 2-ton. LG compressor.